ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।
Hello, you are watching A1 News TV and I am Megha. Let's have a look on our special story.
Recently, Akshay Kumar launches the Black Lover brand and e-commerce website www.theblacklover.com for all black lovers, for all black color product range and for black fashion enthusiasts also. The Black Lover, headed by CEO Akshay Kumar, has launched its commerce website www.theblacklover.com and it is the one-stop destination for all black products range for all lovers of black color.
I, Akshay, CEO and founder of theblacklover.com. So we are launching this brand, theblacklover.com. So it is the first brand in our country which will be dealing solely in color black. So here you find platter of options ranging from apparels to footwears to home decor items. The entire human needs which will be dealing with black. So we have 6 different segments in blacklover.com. The first segment is for men in black, so that will consist of corporate wear and casual wear for men's, with the entire outfit, you can say, इसमें t-shirts covered होगा, फिर shirts होगा and shoes होगा, so different other articles in black. So then we will be having women in black, as same as like what we have for men's. So उसमें the entire wardrobe collection for women's that will be covered. So उसके बाद फिर हमारा एक segment है customer to customer segment. So अभी हमारे country में ऐसा कोई website नहीं है जो customers के हिसाब से उनके apparels और outfit design कर रहा है. So we have launched this customer to customer segment in which will be taking the requirements from the customers. So our fashion designers will be उनके needs के हिसाब से वो उनके designs बनाएंगे. Suppose a person is having his birthday or anniversary or anything on 10th of December. So उससे 20 दिन पहले उनके products उनके हिसाब से will be delivering that to the customer. So and on the जो भी special occasion होगा customer का, suppose किसी का birthday 10th of December को है, so we'll be launching the product with the name of the customer on our website, so that customer can get in close relationship with the brand and they can get वो एक brand connection होता है ना, so that they can generate. So after that we have one more segment, that is home decor, black store segment. Black store में will be covering the entire home decor items, जैसे हमारा ये क्या बोलते हैं, caps हो गए, cushions हो गए, coffee mugs हो गए. So the entire home decor segment that is covered in black store. So after that we have Angels of My Nation segment. So this basically I had a plan to open an NGO after 2 to 3 years, but we have launched this brand called blacklover.com, and just we want to eradicate the darkness from the lives of the poor people or the people who are actually in need of that. So for the people, for the society, we are doing something like this. So there we have जैसे Angels of My Nation segment में हम एक NGO से connect कर रहे हैं. Suppose that is for kids या फिर for transgenders, for old age people. So in that हम उनके नाम से, NGOs के नाम से सब कैटेगरी होगा हमारे अंदर उस सेगमेंट के अंदर. So in that we will be having उनके ही NGOs के जो भी suppose kids है, तो kids के नाम पे product we will be launching the products on the name of that particular NGO और उनके proper photo shoot के साथ. So whatever the profits will be generating from that, so that will be going for the cause. We'll be generating proper invoice for that particular order, so that the customers can get track whatever they are spending, where it is going. So उसके बाद हमारा एक जो segment है designer segment होगा, because we have a good team and with good fashion designers of our country. So there we are launching designer segment. उसमें हमारे fashion designers के segments होंगे, तो उनके हिसाब से वो एक segment होगा.
One can look for apparel wear for everyone, shoes, accessories, home decor items, and a plethora of other options to browse through. Among the endless variety of colors and the combination that the marketers trade with, black is the everlasting popular choice. Whether a wedding or a night out, black is the new normal. Simultaneously, Black Store section has an exciting scope for coffee mugs, backpacks, caps, and the wallets. The black cushions, stools, and the Buddha effigy can establish the pace in your home decor as black as the versatility to fuse into its environment. What has made the black lover stand out from the other e-commerce websites? Yes, of course, their theme and the quality products and their segment for personalized orders.
So we have a platter of options ranging from apparels to footwears to designer segments to home decor items. So in total we have 6 segments. Like the first one is men's fashion. So we'll be taking care of the entire wardrobe collection for men's. So ranging from footwear to apparels to everything in color black. So similarly we have the second segment that is for women's. So we'll be taking care of the entire wardrobe collection for women's as well. So coming to the third segment, we have a Black Store. In Black Store we have different varieties of home decor items, coffee mugs, cushions, and the entire fancy products in black. So, and the fourth segment that we have is customer to customer segments. So that will be from the customers to the customers. So suppose we have someone is having their special occasion like birthdays or any anniversaries or anything as such. So there they will be getting the products designed from our fashion designers, and we will be launching that product with the name of the customer for our customers. So coming back to the fifth segment that we have, that is the Angels of My Nation segment. So that is for a cause. We don't support any kind of human inequalities. So for that we are launching this segment, Angels of My Nation segment. There will be whatever profits will be generating from that particular segment. So that will be going for a cause. So and coming to the sixth segment that we have, that is our designers desk. So in that we'll be having the products from the designers, from our fashion designers for the customers. So yeah, we are very enthusiastic about launching this brand in our country, and soon we'll be taking this off to international markets as well. And moreover, if we take a survey, 70 out of 100 people, they love black. So this is something unique, and we are looking forward for a great start to our country.
But what else? It's their vision and their effort which is trying to create a difference in the world of the unprivileged. They have an upcoming segment, Angel of My Nation, the profit of which will be handed over to the various NGOs featured on the website. So when you buy anything from that segment, it is not only smile on your face, but also on the face of a child somewhere far away.
चीफ मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर द blacklover.com का कॉन्ग्रेट्स करता हूँ अक्षय जी को, जो CEO है हमारी कंपनी के। एंड ब्लैक लवर ऑलरेडी जहाँ ब्लैक चाहिए वो सारे आर्टिकल्स आपको हमारे यहाँ मिलेंगे, कपड़ों में, जूतों में, इंटीरियर्स में, हर चीज़ में ब्लैक सर्व करेंगे। ब्लैक एक कॉमन कलर है और डिमांडेड कलर है। इसके साथ साथ हम लोग मार्केटिंग, इसकी सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग, ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग, टेलीविजन, रेडियो मार्केटिंग, हर तरीके से हम इसको मार्केट कर रहे हैं ब्रांड को, क्योंकि इसमें ह्यूज एक्सपेंशन है और हम बड़े खुश हैं कि हम एक ऐसी मार्केट में एंटर कर रहे हैं जिसमें डिमांड ह्यूज है। सो इसके साथ साथ हम ये चाहते हैं कि जो काले और गोरे की इनइक्वालिटी है सोसाइटी में, उसको हम रिमूव करें। आदमी सारे ही अच्छे होते हैं, कलर कोई भी हो उसका, तो हम डिस्करेज करते हैं जो लोग कलर के हिसाब से एक दूसरे से समाज में दूरियां क्रिएट होती हैं। तो हम जेंडर के साथ साथ कलर इक्वलिटी को प्रमोट करते हैं कि ब्लैक भी, जो काला भी है वो भी सज्जन है और जो गोरा है वो भी सज्जन है। इसको लोग समझें और इस मोटिव को आगे बढ़ाएं। और हम सोशली सारे NGOs को सपोर्ट करते हैं उनके नाम से हम कलर्स भी बना रहे हैं, कपड़े भी बनाएंगे और उनको सोशली भी हम डिवोट करेंगे कुछ ना कुछ अमाउंट इस कॉज से। सो मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ अक्षय जी को टुडे लॉन्च करने के लिए blacklovers.com को, और आपसे भी निवेदन करता हूँ कि एक बार हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आइए, देखिए और खरीदिए और फीडबैक दीजिए और हमारे मोटिव से जुड़िए। और आपके लिए भी हम कस्टमाइज्ड सॉल्यूशंस भी लाए हैं, हम आपके नाम से भी सेगमेंट बना के दे सकते हैं आपके नियर एंड डियर्स के लिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
That's all for now. Keep watching A1 News TV.
ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।